Look at this video.
It's called Greenland, but
This is an English language travel video about Greenland. Now let's do some magic.
Cubre un área de más de 2 millones de kilómetros cuadrados, equivalente al tamaño de Arabia Saudita.
It's the same video but in Spanish. And now in Arabic.
تركزوا في العاصمة نوك. هاي هي العاصمة في جنوب الجزيرة.
Actually, this video was originally made in Arabic. The Spanish and English versions are dubbed versions. This YouTube feature is called Multi-Language Audio Tracks, or MLA. This new YouTube tool can multiply your views with minimal effort. Now the question is, does YouTube do this automatically? The answer is no. You have to do it yourself. In fact, you have to upload the dubbed audio once your video is published. Today, I will share the method you can use to do that. So, without further ado, let's dive in. First, we have to create a multi-language video. Actually, we need to translate our video's language. Now, what if you don't know any language apart from your mother tongue? You can still do that. Yes, AI will help you do that. Let me introduce the video translation feature of Akool AI. You may know Akool AI as one of the best face swap tools, but now, Akool AI is a complete hub for content creators. And video translation is the newest addition. Let's see how it works. If you're new to Akool, you have to create an account. I'll put the link in the description. Once you're logged in, your interface will look like this. Here, you will find all the features or tools of Akool AI. In the Video tab, you will find all the tools for video creation. Today, we will use the Video Translate feature. Once you are on this page, you have to upload the video clip. For example, I created this travel video in English and want to translate it.
Is anything but ordinary. Did you know winter here averages a bone-chilling minus 40 degrees Celsius?
So I'm uploading the video. Once the video is uploaded, move forward to the settings. First, the video's original language. Here, you can choose the video language or leave it as auto-detect. After that, we have to choose the target language. Here, you will find more than 30 languages. Almost every popular language is available. Choose your desired one. For example, this time, I'm selecting Spanish. After selecting the target language, you will find the lip sync option. This option is very useful when you want to re-upload the full video and your video has a spoken person or presentation. We don't need it, so I'm turning it off. After that, if you want to remove the background music and add new background music, then turn this option on. Finally, you will find the proofread video script option. My suggestion is to turn on this option. It will help translate the language perfectly. Once everything is set, hit the Generate Premium Result button from here, and Akool AI starts its work. To find the result, go to the Results Library directory from here. This is my space, where you can see all the content generated by me. This is actually the face swap result. To find the video translation result, click on this drop-down button from here. You will find all the content types. Select the Video Translate option. Our video is being translated. It will take some time. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is. Our video is ready. Let's have a look.
En Yakutsk, Rusia, la urbe más gélida del planeta, más de 300,000 almas viven en condiciones extremas. La temperatura media invernal llega a los 40 grados centígrados.
That's such a marvelous result. The video has been perfectly translated into Spanish, but most importantly, it doesn't alter the voice. Akool has essentially cloned the voice and then generated the Spanish version. Not only that, it keeps the background music the same as the original video. So we don't need to spend more time on customization. It will save a lot of time. What do you think? Let me know in the comments box. If you are enjoying the video, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this. Alright, now you can translate any video into more than 35 languages with Akool AI. Let's translate the video into another language. Just come to the dashboard and select the Video Translate option. Now, re-upload the video. Once the video is uploaded, select the original language and target language like before. This time, I'm selecting French as my target language. Next, set all the remaining settings. Once you're done, hit the Generate Premium Results button from here. Now wait as it processes. And here it is, the video is ready. Let's have a look.
Russie, Yakutsk est considérée comme la ville la plus froide de la Terre. Le quotidien de ses habitants est exceptionnel. Les températures hivernales y sont souvent de 40 degrés. Malgré cela, Yakutsk compte plus de 300 000 âmes. Le froid y est...
That's amazing. Now we can make videos in more than 35 languages, even if we don't know the language. Alright, our videos in different languages are ready. Now, how can we deploy them on YouTube? To do that, we have to convert these videos into audio files. There are many options to do so. Just search for MP4 to MP3 on Google, and you will find several options. Open one of them, then upload the video and convert it to an audio file. In this method, convert all the video clips. Once you've downloaded the audio file, log into your YouTube channel. If your video isn't published yet, publish the video. Once the video is published, go to the subtitle section. Once you are on this page, click on the Add Language button from here. Now, set the language. One thing to be clear, this feature is not available to everyone. Unfortunately, I didn't get access yet. Let's see how you can access it. You have to request access from their support team. I already talked to them, and it will be available very soon. Once you get access, you will find an audio icon here, just beside the pencil icon. Here, you have to upload the audio file. Once the audio file is uploaded, save the video. In conclusion, the YouTube multi-language audio track feature can be a game changer for everyone. And with the help of Akool AI, you can create videos in more than 35 languages. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about the YouTube MLA feature and Akool AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!